What's going on, everybody? Back again, Danny B. If you all don't know who I am, that is. If you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button if you like this sort of stuff. If you guys do remember the last video I did where I installed the aftermarket rear taillights, I explained at the very end of the video, if anybody knew what I had lined up for this video right here. And well, let's get down to the point. Let me show you exactly what we're looking at. And again, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and definitely hit that bell notification for when I do pop up with some new videos, because I've got a lot of stuff that's going to be getting done. But let me show you exactly what we were talking about earlier on last video. So what I have here is a bull bar. Now, if you all have been following my channel, recently I spoke about me getting a bull bar. Well, I finally received one. Now, I didn't purchase this. This was sent to me, and I was extremely happy. Thank you to whoever sent this to me. I really don't know who sent it to me. I was hoping that the company did, but I spoke with somebody, and they said no, there was nothing there. But big shout out, anyways, to, I hope I'm pronouncing this company correctly, Stellan. They make really good bull bars. I'm going to cut this open real quick from the blue and reveal what it actually looks like. I still haven't even taken a look at it itself. I'm not sure exactly. BK, I'm guessing it means black. So I'm guessing it also comes with all the hardware and everything in this box, and all the bolts and nuts and washers and such on this bag. So I'm hoping it's a pretty easy setup. This is the first time I've ever installed a bull bar, and I've always wanted one. And like I said, guys, no, I did not purchase this. This was sent to me randomly from someone, possibly one of my family members that's hiding it from me. I'm not sure, but thank you if you're watching this. I love you guys. You're amazing, whoever sent this to me. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and cut all this stuff open, and we'll take a look at everything and see what type of instructions that need to be done, if there's any modifications or such for the front bumper. All right. All right. Upon reading further into the instruction manual, if you see, this is the bumper bracket here. I only kept one bolt because I like to take the bumper off and on, but it requires me to use 2 bolts. So what I'm going to have to do is, see, this comes with these brackets with the kit, which is nice. And what this does is it bolts right up to here, like so, right? And then the bull bar bolts to the bottom part here, and then you can adjust it the way you want it. Now, I'm glad they provide you with a bunch of bolts, nuts, and washers to help you. And what I have here is 2 sockets, 3/4. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I have 2 3/4 sockets here that I'm going to be using. Different size because I didn't have the longer socket here for another set. But we got 2 ratchets I'm ready to install. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to unbolt this, And we're going to bolt this bracket here up to here. We're going to hand tighten it first. And then we'll pull the bull bar on and we'll go ahead and we'll adjust it and we'll do a torque down. All right. All right. Now that we installed the brackets, excuse me, let's try really hard to put this bull bar on. Now, I am doing it by myself, so it is going to be a little difficult, so bear with me. Showing you how you can really do it, and then I'll explain everything along the way. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, let's do this. Oh. So now what you see here is the before bumper. And there's the after, guys. I think that looks amazing on there. If you guys can really see. Sorry, my voice is a little froggy right now because of me constantly going up and down. But it's not an easy task doing it on your own. I was able to get everything the way I needed it to, measure it out. I mean, leveled out the way I wanted it. I mean, it looks amazing. Look at that. I mean, the before and after. We were doing some big work to this truck here, man. So all you guys out there, if you guys, are wanting to, please hit that thumbs up, give it a like. Took me forever to install it. It should have only took me 45 minutes, but I had to figure out everything on my own and adjust everything on my own. So this is usually a two-person job, but if you're going to do it by yourself, make sure to keep cool, stay calm, and, get everything to the way you want it to. I mean, I got everything sitting just perfect, right in the dead center. I'm on an angle because the way I'm standing, so I do apologize. But everything is level. So if you see, I've got, if my camera will focus, I've got everything bolted up to the brackets. Everything is level, so I have everything sitting correctly. So if you can see, I've got enough space away from the bumper and the bull bar. I mean, it looks amazing. And like I said before, guys, we have a lot more stuff that needs to get done. What I have over here is a very special vinyl for the outside of the truck. It's a we're going tactical look to it. So I don't know if you guys can really see the mask that I've got here, but be prepared. Hint, hint. If you guys look at this, this is a hint of what the vinyl possibly might look like on the side of the truck. Now, leave your comments and voices down below so they can be heard. Try not to be too harsh with me, but this is the look that we're going for. The black and the silver, more of a doomsday tactical look. So hope you guys enjoy it. So what I have in this white box right here is the vinyl for the truck. And I also purchased this kit here to help me do some trimming because I'm going to need to do some trimming. We are going to install the LED daytime running lights at the same time as we're installing this vinyl. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to install it right away. This is going to be like a couple videos here and there because I still have this HD box mirror link that needs to go in. And in next video, because I have a special custom set of wheels that I received for the Durango. And I'm extremely, extremely excited to show you guys. And I really, really hope you guys stick around for it because the wheels are going to be, amazing. I already took a look at them, and all I need to do is get a set of rubbers for them, and we're going to install. But we are going to go ahead and, again, do the rear stabilizer links. I've got my upper and lower ball joints that need to be replaced on both sides, and inner and outer tie rod ends that need to be replaced on both sides. So all of this is getting done. I already have grease and a gun and everything like that to help grease the all these joints once installed. On top of that, the shocks that I installed a while back, I think about a year ago, the bushings on the top have basically dry rotted and cracked. So we're going to be replacing those as well. So stay tuned. I really, really pray that you guys will be sticking around for what I'm going to be doing with, especially when it comes to the vinyl. I'll do my best to show you guys how to replace all of this. I'll get all the torque specs, bolts, and everything like that, socket sizes and everything. Reason why I'm going to go ahead and start doing that is because right down here, I finally have a air compressor. And one of these days, we're going to be installing this big bad boy right here. All I need is just the bracket for that to install, but we're gonna install that. But yeah, and like I said, guys, the wheels. Oh my God, the wheels alone, the custom wheels that I got for my '99 Dodge Durango. All right, they're 17 by 8.5s, and I'm telling you right now, it's I mean, it's gonna blow your minds once I install them. It's something that I have not yet ever seen on a Dakota or another Durango anywhere in the United States so far. Knock on wood. But stay tuned. If you did like the install of the bull bar, definitely give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. I'll leave all the description and links down below for you guys, because I'm still getting used to trying to put everything up here and what videos you guys can possibly go check out that I've done. But like I said, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that like button. Leave your comments down below. And hit that bell notification for when I get my next video up, because it's going to be interesting. This is a road that I'm going to be taking, and my wife is not going to be quite happy with what I'm about to do to not just my silver Durango, but with also my blue Durango. So, again, later, guys, and I will see you again in the next video. Alright? Later. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Hit the bell notification. Bye.